Hey folks, Chris at SealBoss here, just showcasing some of the cartridge forms of our resins and repair materials. In the spotlight right now, 4050 by SealBoss, the 4050 SLV for super low viscosity. Its ability to get into almost barely visible cracks make it a fine choice if you have any doubts on super tight networks of cracks or fissures within substrates. This also is available with a gun, so if you do need that 2-to-1 gun, because it too is an A to B 2-to-1 type product, we offer those as well. Static mixer would go on the top of this cartridge, you would put it in the gun, you would then release the air from the cartridge with a couple squeezes, dispense about an ounce to get the priming going in the static mixer, hook up to your tri-base port, and then you can inject the 4050 SLV with a very slow, deliberate, penetrating flow through that static mixer to get into that substrate. If you have any questions about the 4050 or want to know more, please feel free to give us a call. We're standing by to help you, or check us out online at SealBoss.com.